Next measure, press right, is called stake out. Stake out measurement mode allows me to set out points at the same interval distances apart. So press OK, and there's a symbol here to show that I can edit. I'll press the left soft key, and I have the distance interval set as 0.3 meters. If I press positive or negative, I can increase that distance, but I will keep it 0.3 meters. Then press left soft key to accept. It will show the interval as 0.30. Set the instrument at the first start position, press measure, and it shows a reading of 0.184 meters, and there's a blue arrow with the number 1 saying that the first stakeout point will be this way. So I move the meter back, and as I move it back, the distance indicated in the red increases. So it has beeped at the first stakeout point, 0.300 meters, and that's the front edge of the black tape. Now I want to find the second stakeout point. I will move rightwards. And it now shows me that the distance is increased to 0.349 meters. I'll keep moving the instrument rightwards. And notice now there's a blue arrow to the right which says that the second stakeout point, number 2, is that direction, and the distance at this point is 0.471 meters. So I'll keep moving rightwards in the direction where the blue arrow with the number 2 indicates. And it shows that stakeout point number 2 is 0.600 meters, and that's located here at the front edge of the black tape. So this does make stakeout settings faster and simpler. I'll move now rightwards towards stakeout number 3. Distance is increasing, 0.741 meters. Move it rightwards. Now there's a blue arrow with the number 3 pointing to the right, indicating that I'm getting close to stakeout number 3. Here we are, 0.900 meters, and this is the front edge of the black tape. So this is how the stakeout function works. It makes it much easier to do stakeout settings. I really like it. I think it's very useful. I was surprised though that with this particular model, Bosch did not supply a lanyard and said that that was an accessory that had to be bought. I do hope you found this video useful and interesting. Do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more and help the channel grow. Thank you so much.